What up scrollers, welcome back to the J Apple Spot, and today in this video we're gonna be seeing that with the help of one app you will be able to change your fonts on your iOS devices. So let's begin with the video itself. So if you want to change the fonts of your app, then the app has been hiding in your app store. So just jump right into the app store or go to the description. You will get the link down in the description. Just tap on that and just download this app. The app name is Font for iPhone Plus. Font Plus, yeah. Okay, so once the app has been installed, then you have to just open it. Obviously you have to open it, and then so once you're in the app, it will ask to do some of these steps by going your settings to go to the keyboard and then give the access to this app.
Okay.
Once you are done with that, you will be able to see this interface in your app, and you can use this keyboard anywhere.
Okay.
Like, you have to just click on this earth button, and then you have to just go to the font section. Once you are over here, you will be able to see the fonts are changed right now, like this. And this app, if you want to change your fonts, then you have to just go to this arrow and you'll be able to see a many variety of the fonts. Like in this app you can change many things, like you can get the symbols of the elephant and any other. Like in this app you will be able to see many fonts. You can scroll it down and you can see many fonts. So like right now I'm choosing this, so you can see J Apple blah 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 blah. Oh shit, it doesn't have swipe. Never mind, but you get fonts in this keyboard, and that's pretty cool actually. Oh, Apple, 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 Apple.
Okay.
Okay, so that's much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. So please like and subscribe. Peace.